This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Smith Mountain Lake real estate property video is presented by Dana Montgomery. One owner home well maintained and move-in ready. Conveniently located 10 minutes to Westlake and Burnt Chimney, enjoy one-level living west/finished bonus room above garage, open floor plan west/hardwood floors, granite centers, custom cabinets, sunroom, laundry just off of kitchen and garage. Level yard easy to maintain. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Montgomery at 540-721-8659.